Good morning. Are you struggling with the best way to put on your liquid makeup base? Well, I've had issues with that too, so I'm here to talk about it. Thank you for tuning in. My name's Janet McHugh. My website is janetmchugh.com. So here we go. I'm always telling people use your fingers, not a makeup sponge. So today I'm going to test my theory. I've never done this before, but I'm real popular of trying things on camera that I've never done before apparently. So my favorite makeup base. I'm currently using Honey Beige by Arbonne, but we all know I sell Arbonne. But anyway, I even have a makeup sponge, a brand new one. My theory is this right here wastes makeup, okay? And that you can't blend it, that most of what's going on to here stays on here and doesn't go on your face. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna use one side my face and one side of my face with a sponge and the other side with my fingers, and we'll see which looks better in the end. Okay, so here we go. I'm right-handed, but I'm going to use the makeup sponge on my right side of my face because that just seems fair. So going right here, I'll show you how much I put on. Now I know on all the videos they put on extra, but that's about the amount I'd put on the right side of my face normally. Okay, I've already primed my face. I even have my eyelid primer for eyeliner on, okay? But so typically I would put a dot and a dot and a dot, okay? And this is typically going to be more than enough. And I go in circles. And the reason I put that little dot on my forehead is if I need extra, first of all, I can blend up there. Yeah, I'm not sure. It looks just a little splotchy from here. Might have to turn my mirror on. Now, I have used makeup sponges before. I used to all the time, and I actually switched from makeup sponges to using my fingers just after experimenting back and forth. I have my mirror right next to me, so let's check it out here. I think my battery's dying. So, it's not bad. But in my theory, that's a lot to leave on a sponge. You can see it soaked down in. So in my opinion, and it's enough that it gets on my finger too. So I don't know that it's getting on my face. Maybe if I blot a little more blotting, a little less wiping. Okay. Let's just see how much is still in there. Well, there's a little bit, but not that's coming out. It's still there. Okay. Looks, I don't know. Looks clumpy to me. Something tells me it'll be fixed with that. But we'll see. I'll do it, and then I'll get under better light and look again. I just got to put a little bit on my finger without overdoing it, because I don't normally split my face. So there's how much is on my middle finger. A little bit up there. I put a little less on my middle finger. Just so you can see. Do my zones, do my cheek. Need a little more. I put less on my middle finger than I did the sponge. I think I like about using my hand is when I'm done, my fingers are pretty clean. I mean, there's not really any makeup on it. I don't feel like I wasted makeup. It went on really quick. I don't feel I wasted any. I feel it's smooth, but I'm going to hit pause and I'm going to take you with me. So we're going to go look under a brighter light. Hold on just a second. Okay, I'm back. I'm not sure you can see what I see. I see up in here dark spots. I see a dark spot here where it just doesn't blend as well. I feel I blend it better with my hands. Maybe that's just me. I feel it has a more natural look on this side and looks a little yellower because it doesn't blend. I haven't put anything else on my face at all. Okay? So in my experiment at least, I feel the fingertips win and the Beauty Blender doesn't. The makeup sponge doesn't. And I don't put any makeup base on my eyelids at all because that's where my eyeshadow's going, and that's just what I do. I don't do it. So I hope this helped you in some way. I'm gonna just have to figure out a way to fix that little line that's right there. Maybe blend it a little bit with my hands and I can fix it, or I hate to wash my makeup off after I've gone this far. But I hope you learned something. I know I learned something. Throw the sponge away. Sponges belong for cleaning, as long as you bleach them out. And thank you for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and comment. It really does help me when you do that. I love to listen to comments, even in private messages. My website is janetmchugh.com, where you can find all sorts of useful things, including how to make money. Look for the link on how to make money. I like making money, don't you? Anyway, I got a money-making video coming up real soon. I have a friend who makes a lot of money and teaches people how to make money. The link is going to be right down there along with mine, okay? That being said, look for me on janetmchugh.com. Look for me on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all the other stuff, LinkedIn, Google. I'm on a lot of stuff, but I'm not on everything. Have a blessed day and keep your face all pretty and shiny the way it is. Love ya. Bye.